Hello, dear students. I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to learn English through an easy and interesting story. So, let's begin. The topic is a bad morning. I woke up late this morning. आज सुबह मेरी आँख देर से खुली. Woke up जागा. Late देर से. Morning सुबह. I woke up late this morning. आज मैं देर से जागा या आज मेरी आँख देर से खुली. Now let's look at some new words. Woke up, morning, late. Woke up जागा, late देर से, morning सुबह. Now repeat this word. Woke up, morning, late. I looked at the clock. It was 8 o'clock. मैंने घड़ी देखी 8 बज चुके थे. Now let's look at some new words. Looked at देखा. Looked at देखा. Clock घड़ी. Repeat after me. Looked at. Looked at देखा. Clock घड़ी. Clock घड़ी. I looked at the clock. It was 8 o'clock. मैंने घड़ी देखी 8 बज चुके थे. I missed my bus. मेरी बस छूट गई. Now look at some new word. Missed. Missed mean छूट गई. बस. बस. गाड़ी को कहते हैं बस. I missed my bus. Repeat after me. Missed. Again. Missed. छूट गई. I took a taxi. I took a taxi. मैंने टैक्सी ली. Now look at the some new word. Took, ली. Taxi, taxi. I took a taxi. मैंने टैक्सी ली. Repeat after me. Took. Again. Took. Taxi. Again. Taxi. Took, ली. I was late for work. मैं काम पर देर से पहुंचा. Now look new words. Late. Work. Late देर से. Late देर से. Work काम. Job. Late देर से. Work काम. Again repeat after me. Late. Again late. Work. I was late for work. मैं काम पर देर से पहुंचा. My boss was not happy. मेरे बॉस खुश नहीं थे. My boss was not happy. Let's look some new words. Boss, happy, not happy. My boss was not happy. Boss, happy, खुश, not happy, खुश नहीं. Not happy, खुश नहीं. Repeat after me. Boss, happy, not happy. Boss, happy, not happy. My boss was not happy. My boss was not happy. मेरे बॉस खुश नहीं थे. I had an important meeting. मेरी एक अहम मीटिंग थी. I had an important meeting. मेरी एक अहम मीटिंग थी. In this section, now let's look some new words we'll learn in this story. Important, meeting, had. Important, अहम. Meeting, मुलाकात. Had, थी. Important meeting had. Now repeat after me. Important, aham. Important, aham. Meeting, meeting. Had, थी. Had, थी. I had an important meeting. मेरी एक अहम मीटिंग थी. I apologized to my boss. I told him I woke up late. He listened to me quietly. मैंने अपने बॉस से माजरत की. मैंने इन्हें बताया कि मेरी आँख देर से खुली थी. उन्होंने मेरी बात खामोशी से सुनी. Now let's look at some new words we learned in the story. Apologize, told, quietly. Apologized, माजरत की. Told, बताया. Quietly, खामोशी से. Repeat after me. Apologize, told, quietly. Apologized, told, quietly. Apologized, माजरत की. Told, बताया. Quietly, खामोशी से. He accepted my apology. He said it's okay. He gave me another chance. उन्होंने मेरी माजरत कबूल कर ली. उन्होंने कहा कोई बात नहीं. उन्होंने मुझे एक और मौका दिया. Accepted, कबूल किया. Apology, माजरत. Another chance, एक और मौका. Accepted, apology, another chance. Accepted, apology, another chance. Now repeat after me. Accepted, apology, another chance. He accepted my apology. He said it's okay. He gave me another chance. उन्होंने मेरी माजरत कबूल कर ली. उन्होंने कहा कोई बात नहीं. उन्होंने मुझे एक और मौका दिया. Begin. I promised to do my best. I said I will never be late again. He smiled and wished me good luck. मैंने पूरी मेहनत करने का वादा किया. मैंने कहा मैं दोबारा कभी देर से नहीं आऊँगा. उसने मुस्कुराकर मुझे दुआ दी. Now look at some new word we learned in this story. Promised, best, late, good luck. Promised, वादा किया. Best, बेहतरीन. Late, देर से. Good luck, नेक तमन्नाएं. Repeat after me. Promised, best, late, good luck. He gave me the appointment letter. He was very happy and thankful. I promised to be a better employee and to work hard every day. उसने मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर दिया. मैं बहुत खुश और शुक्रगुजार हुआ. मैंने वादा किया कि मैं एक अच्छा मुलाजिम बनूंगा और हर दिन मेहनत से काम करूंगा. Now let's look at some new words we learn in this story. Appointment letter, happy, खुश. Thankful, शुक्रगुजार. Promise, वादा. Better, बेहतर. Employ, मुलाजिम. Work hard, मेहनत करना. Repeat after me. Appointment letter, happy, thankful, promise, better, employ, work hard. There is a big lesson for us in this story. Always be on time. Honesty builds trust. हमेशा वक्त की पाबंदी करें. सच्चाई एतमाद पैदा करती है. तो हमेशा वक्त की पाबंदी करनी चाहिए. कहीं भी जाना है तो वक्त पर जाएं और ईमानदारी से अपना काम करें तो आपके काम को सराहा जाएगा. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, speak after me. I will never be late again. I will never be late again. I will always be on time. I will always be on time. I will work hard every day. I will work hard every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next story. Now you tell me, what did you learn from this story? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next English story. Bye.